Okay, so I already cut this open and it opens like that. And you have all the candles. Let me bring this closer so you can see. As you can see, they're just numbered. There is no indication of what it is, at least on the top of it. Maybe on it says, but I'm not gonna look. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna smell it and try to guess what it is for fun. So let's get started. This one smells kind of fruity, but not very fruity. It kind of smells artificial and fruity. Yeah, it could also be a flower, but I can't really guess what it is. Let's see. Rhubarb. Very interesting. Okay, I would have never been able to guess that. Number 2 is yellow, and let's see if I can guess this one. Oh, I think this is vanilla. Oh, I'm loving this. It's so good. Yeah, it's warm vanilla. Ah, and it smells so good. Okay, 3 is pink. Okay, this one is a flower. It could be jasmine or like, I don't know, gardenia. It's not rose. It's either jasmine or gardenia. Lilac. Okay. Okay, interesting. You know what, beauties? I'm starting to get a hint. You know, let me show you one thing. It seems like the colors actually indicate something, because this, you know, could be the color of lilac. This is color of vanilla, and that could be color of rhubarb. So I'm going to use that as a hint and see if that's the correct hint. So 4 is green. It would have to be something that is green colored. Okay, this is eucalyptus. And I am correct. I do have a eucalyptus candle from Trader Joe's, so maybe I'm cheating a little bit there. I also like eucalyptus as a whole, beauties. They say that eucalyptus candles repel insects and rodents and whatnot, you know, so which is part of the reason why I purchase eucalyptus candles. If you live in the South, you know the summer and insects go very well together. So, okay, number 5 is yellow. Let's see if I can guess this. Oh, this could also be jasmine or gardenia. Yeah, jasmine or gardenia. Gardenia! Yeah. And 6 is orangey brown. This kind of smell of the fall. So this could be like apples or maple apple or candied apple or something like that. Spiced apple. Nice. I'm good at guessing these. Okay, 7 is green. Oh, okay. Okay, this smells very therapeutic. Like, you know how eucalyptus kind of smelled like? It smells like kind of a spa-like smell. It could be cardamom, maybe. White tea. Okay. Why is it green then? But I like this. I like the scent. Okay, 8 is orange. Yeah, this is also sort of a fruit, but honestly, the scent is kind of fake. So this could be what artificially a fruit would smell like. You know how, like a candied form of a fruit. You know what I'm talking about? It's like when you have a candy strawberry, it doesn't really taste like strawberry. You know, it's like a candied form of strawberry. And that's kind of what this smells like. It's a very familiar smell, but I can't guess what it is. It's some sort of a fruit. Persimmon. Okay. I would have never been able to guess that. And beauties, you know, it seems like more or less guessing that the color of the lid actually matches what's inside is a good guess. So I'm going to continue with that thought. So based on just that, I'm going to guess this is lavender at number 9. So let's see if I'm correct. Yeah. This has to be lavender or some like lavender something. And it is lavender. Yay. Okay. I'm liking this. Let's go. 10 is sort of blue. Okay, this smells kind of therapeutic also. It could be some sort of like a flower, but not a flower, you know, these kinds of therapeutic things that they burn. Like not sage, but something similar to that. Honestly, it could even be tobacco. You know, like tobacco candles? Yeah, I can't really guess what it is, but it's something like that. Snow day. Okay, beauties, this is what a snow day smells like. I mean, I'm not too far because a snow day kind of smells like fire burning or smoke of some form, right? And that's kind of what it smells like. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what it means in terms of snow day because snow doesn't smell like this, but oh well. Continuing. Number 11, and this one is sort of orange. This also smells kind of like a flowery smell. Yeah, I can't tell you what this is, but it's kind of flowery. Oh, sandalwood. Okay. Okay, very nice, very nice. And last one, beauties. So this one is sort of reddish, orangish kind of a color. Let's see. Oh, this is definitely a fruit. I would have said this is persimmon. This also kind of smells like, you know, the fake candied form of things. But I can't guess what this is. Let's see. Peach. Okay, very nice. Okay, beauties, so that's it for all the scents in the 12-day advent calendar from Trader Joe's. Let me know what you all think about advent calendars for candles. I would love to know if I'm the only person who likes these kinds of things. Thank you so much, beauties. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I normally make indie makeup content, so I understand if that is not your type of thing and you're only here for the advent calendar for candles from Trader Joe's. I still appreciate that you followed me in this video. I love you all. Have an amazing day, and until next time. Bye.